Hey friends, these garlic butter steak bites are so delicious and easy to make at home. I just love the simplicity of the recipe. Serve as an appetizer, skewered, over rice, or just with mashed potatoes to make a perfect dinner or lunch on any day of the week. Here are the ingredients. Let's get to the cooking. What makes this recipe just so good is the simplicity of the ingredients used in it. I'm starting my recipe with this piece of beef tri-tip steak. This I bought as a big batch from Costco, and then I saved this, which is about 2 pounds. It still retained most of its color. I pushed out most of the air in a Ziploc and then tightly locked it and put it in the freezer. I pulled it and then defrosted it. I'm going to use some butter. I have a shallot, garlic, rosemary, thyme, parsley for garnish, scallions to finish. I got some beef stock here. This is from a teaspoon of Better Than Bouillon beef base, salt and pepper, some red pepper flakes to finish, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, some cooking oil. We'll start by cutting this beef steak into some bite-sized pieces, being mindful of how the grains run. We'll take this piece off here and just cut this into that, and then just cut against the grain into those nice chunks, about a bite size also. Now return this beef onto the plate. Sprinkle this with a good amount of black pepper. I'm starting with a teaspoon. Just a touch salt because we are going to use soy. Soy sauce, about a tablespoon. Then just massage this beef, and then we are going to leave it to marinate as we prep the rest of the ingredients. This will add a good amount of umami. Leave this to marinate. Now peel and mince 1 shallot. Break some garlic cloves. We need about a tablespoon. It's all about garlic in this recipe. Give this garlic a chop. This looks good to me. Get a sprig of rosemary here. Pull some of these tender leaves. And get some thyme here. This thyme looks tender to me. So what I'm going to do, just stack all this and give a nice chop. Thyme, rosemary. I have 1 scallion here. Some parsley. Needs just the tender leaves here. Everything looks good here. Now these steak bites have been marinating for a bit now. You can see they've slightly changed color. They've absorbed the soy, the black pepper and the salt. Ready to go. Onto this preheating cast iron, add cooking oil, about a tablespoon also, and heat until it's very hot. Once the oil is very hot, start adding the beef cubes. Preferably all in one layer. Let sear undisturbed for about a minute or so, or until it's nicely browned. You can take a peek. We want more. Take a peek. This looks good. Give it a turn. Continue searing until all the beef cubes are seared on all sides. Once the beef cubes are nicely browned, remove into a plate. We still want them to be nice and juicy in the inside. Now reduce the heat just so slightly, and into the pan add the shallots. Cook the shallots until they start sweating with just a slight color. At this point, if you want, you can add some oil. Add the garlic, rosemary and thyme, some of the parsley. Give this a stir just for about 30 seconds. Add our other star of the recipe, butter. So fragrant here. Now into the pan, add the beef stock. About a tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. This adds a good amount of umami and goes very well with the soy sauce. It's always the secret ingredient in a lot of recipes. It's one of my favorites. This looks so good. Now, once it's nicely reduced, return the beef. Coat the beef with this delicious sauce. Let it graze. Remember, the beef is almost cooked through. Heat off. Finish with the scallions, a heaping of parsley, some of these red pepper flakes. This is optional, and we are done. Just finish this with the rest of the parsley, the scallions, some of these red pepper flakes, a cracking of more black pepper, and there you have it. I don't know about you, but for me, I just want to taste these steak bites. So good. So tender. What a simple dish that you can do on any day of the week. This is perfect for entertaining. Just put some skewers or toothpicks on each of the pieces here and serve it individually to your guests or even to yourself, and you have a very delicious dish. The butter, the garlic, the shallots, and the herbs gives it that nice, complete, rounded flavor. It's a dish that you can do on any day of the week. Ribeye, sirloin, or any cut that is tender will work on this recipe. Tri-tip too will do. Just be careful when you're working with it. Other than that, this is a good recipe that I hope you're going to try in your own kitchen. Thank you so much for watching this one. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe please. I will see you in the next one. Have a good one.